It's Bonnie. Happy Monday! I am back. I have another video for you guys. Oh my gosh, yesterday, I gotta say, I had so much fun sorting my Avon jewelry. My mom helped me out. We were looking at everything, and I'm like, I have a lot of jewelry to wear. I also have a lot of jewelry to review. I just did a little Avon short about this one. Look at these little earrings, how pretty they are. This one is absolutely gorgeous. This is coming up soon. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below, including the link to order. If you can't find it, just let me know. I can put it in the comment section, and shipping is free on 60. It is so much fun to order from Avon. The catalog is super easy to shop online. You can do a search online, or you can shop by category like perfume, home. I love the Avon website. It's so easy to use. I actually just did another Avon order today because I wanted to get this other necklace set that I forgot about getting. And then of course we have my very favorite, the Mermaid Treasures, which I'm going to review probably this week. I can't stop looking at this one. It's so pretty. I think that is coming next campaign. But right now, we're going to talk about perfume. Two of my favorite spring perfumes from Avon that are florals are the Honeysuckle Blossom and then Peony Rose, which will be available on, I think, April 27th. That one's coming. But look at how pretty the bottle is for this one. It's just like gorgeous. I love glass bottles. They're so pretty. So this one is, they're super giftable too. Look at the box. I was going to get a couple of these as gifty things for spring. Leered Honeysuckle Blossom lets you shine with notes of sparkling apple blossom, sweet honeysuckle, nectar, and airy vanilla orchid. Sometimes I don't like honeysuckle, but for some reason, I like this one. I don't know. They must have just gotten the perfect mix in here. There's no amber in here. That's why I think I like this one. They didn't try and make it like too like rich or evening, you know, like sensual type of sense. This one is like light and airy and fresh. And I think it's the apple blossom. And it's weird because, what is it? It's sparkling apple blossom. Sometimes apple blossom is a little bit too sweet for me, but I guess if you mix apple blossom and the honeysuckle, it's like the perfect mix because I've always loved this one. And the vanilla, I think the vanilla really makes it, like airy vanilla orchid just like gives it a burst of like creaminess. And I think orchid's a little drier. I don't know. I love this one though. This is like always been one of my favorites from Avon. So I'm super excited I got my hands on another one of the honeysuckle blossoms. And then coming in campaign 7, I believe. This is exciting. This is the Faraway Bali. I'm actually going to do a separate review on this one, but you guys are going to love this one. This is so pretty. It's gorgeous. I actually ordered, I think I got another Faraway when I did my order for the jewelry this morning, because I want to do a whole like video about all of like the Faraway fragrances. It's kind of neat. When you're an Avon rep, you get this like fragrance wheel in the What's New catalogs. I don't know if I have one sitting here. And it's kind of nice because then you can go through like the fragrance wheel and decide like what you want. Oh, I didn't find fragrances in here. Here it is. Here it is. I found it. This is coming in campaign 5. I got to do a big video about this. This is the Mermaid Treasures in my What's New catalog. That is so exciting. It's the necklace, the watch, the earrings, and the ring. So I'm going to do a whole big video about this, but I'm so excited to share. I get distracted. Sometimes I do that. I don't know if we have a fragrance wheel in this one, but Avon does a really good job of like figuring out which fragrance is which. Oh, you know what else I have to do for campaign 5? I got to talk about all of the home stuff, by the way. I have all of this sitting in my living room, actually. And what I do is I've been using different pieces and then putting them back so that I can review everything. But there's so much good home stuff coming up in campaign 5. I get distracted a lot by all the stuff. It's so pretty. Anyway, yeah. We got a lot going on in the next campaign, you guys. This is going to be a good one, including the what's new. So, I mean, the wow. The wow. I'm getting the wow and the what's new all mixed up here. So anyway, talking about perfume, I'm talking about jewelry, I'm talking about home products. Avon's got it all. Oh, I also ordered some t-shirts. I love my Avon t-shirts. I just ordered the new set, so I'll be sharing those too. I think they're gonna look really pretty. I have a pink one coming. It's gonna look gorgeous with the mermaid treasures. Anyway, oh my gosh, you guys, I got my mauve nail polish on, by the way, today. I'm loving it. It looks good with my green. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.